Hi everyone. If you run an e-commerce business, especially one that sources products from overseas, you're constantly juggling multiple priorities. You know shipping from China can make or break your profits. It's a critical factor that directly impacts your bottom line. We are Yan Sourcing, a leading sourcing agent company who help customers source products, manage production, inspect goods, and manage shipping to make importing from China quickly and safely. Many entrepreneurs negotiate great product prices, spending hours to secure the best possible deals with their suppliers, only to be shocked by high shipping costs. It's a frustrating experience to see potential profits evaporate due to unexpected fees that wipe out their margins. These costs can quickly turn a promising venture into a losing proposition. Every dollar saved on shipping is a dollar you can reinvest, a dollar that fuels growth and expansion. Whether it's lowering prices to attract more customers and gain a competitive edge, boosting ads, amplifying your marketing reach to drive more sales, or developing new products, innovating and expanding your product line to meet evolving customer demands. Mastering affordable shipping isn't just helpful. It gives you an edge over your competitors. It's essential for scaling your business. It's the foundation upon which sustainable growth is built. The good news? You don't need a logistics degree. You don't have to be an expert in international trade, just the right knowledge and partners. With the right resources, navigating the complexities of shipping becomes manageable. In this guide, you'll learn the main shipping methods, understanding the pros and cons of each, how to get accurate quotes, ensuring you're comparing apples to apples and avoiding hidden fees, and simple packaging tricks to save money. These small adjustments can lead to significant savings over time. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap, a step-by-step plan to optimize your shipping strategy to get your products from China to the USA at the lowest possible cost. This will empower you to maximize your profits and grow your business. Let's get started and take control of your shipping expenses. It's time to unlock the potential for greater profitability and sustainable success. Shipping from China boils down to three main options: sea freight, air freight, and express couriers. Sea freight is the go-to for bulk shipments, slow but usually the cheapest. Air freight is much faster, ideal for urgent or high-value goods, but costs more. Express couriers like DHL and FedEx are the fastest and simplest, handling everything door-to-door, but they're pricey for anything but small packages. The right method depends on your shipment's size, urgency, and budget. Smart businesses mix and match these options to balance cost and speed. Understanding when to use each method is key to a strong logistics strategy. Let's break down how to choose the best fit for your needs. When it comes to shipping for your small business, understanding the landscape of options is crucial. Here's a breakdown of how the main shipping methods stack up, offering a head-to-head comparison to help you make informed decisions. We'll explore the pros and cons of each, focusing on factors like cost, speed, and suitability for different types of goods. Sea freight is generally the most economical option, making it the cheapest for large, heavy shipments. If you're moving a significant volume of goods and aren't in a rush, this is often the way to go. However, keep in mind that sea freight takes a considerable amount of time, typically 30-60 days. So, careful planning is essential. Make sure to factor in this extended transit time when managing your inventory and customer expectations. Air freight offers a significantly faster alternative, with delivery times typically ranging from 5-10 days. This method works particularly well for mid-sized, time-sensitive shipments where speed is a priority. If you need to replenish stock quickly or fulfill urgent orders, air freight can be a lifesaver. The trade-off, of course, is that air freight costs more than sea freight. For the absolute fastest delivery, express couriers are the way to go, offering lightning-fast transit times of just 3-5 days. They also provide a hassle-free experience with door-to-door service and real-time tracking. However, express courier services are generally only cost-effective for small, urgent packages due to their high per-kilo rates. Consider this option carefully, as costs can quickly add up. When dealing with bulk inventory, sea freight emerges as the clear winner in terms of price. If you're facing a product restock or planning a new product launch, air freight strikes a good balance between speed and cost. When it comes to shipping product samples to potential clients or handling emergency situations, express couriers are undoubtedly the best choice. Before making any decisions, always take the time to carefully calculate your shipment's weight, volume, and the level of urgency. Considering these factors will guide you towards the most appropriate shipping method. Making the right choice not only saves you money, but also ensures that your supply chain operates smoothly and efficiently. Avoid simply defaulting to a single shipping method. Instead, take a strategic approach and optimize your choice for each individual shipment based on its specific requirements. By carefully considering your options and tailoring your approach, you can maximize both your profit margins and overall operational efficiency. Ready to get a shipping quote? Here's how to do it right. Gather your shipment details: weight, volume, pickup and delivery addresses, and Incoterms like FOB or ESW. Reach out to at least 3 to 5 freight forwarders or use online platforms to request quotes. Always provide full details and ask for all-inclusive pricing, no hidden fees. Compare quotes line by line, checking for extra charges and estimated delivery times. Don't just pick the cheapest. Reliability and communication matter. Check reviews and test their responsiveness with follow-up questions. A trustworthy partner saves you time, money, and headaches. Build relationships with reliable forwarders. They're invaluable as your business grows. Smart quoting is the foundation of cost-effective shipping. Freight forwarders are your logistics experts, the unsung heroes of international trade. They possess a deep understanding of the complexities involved in moving goods across borders. They arrange shipping, taking care of all the intricate details from start to finish. This includes selecting the right carriers, planning the most efficient routes, and ensuring your goods arrive safely and on time. They negotiate rates, leveraging their industry connections and volume discounts to secure the best possible prices for your shipments. This can result in significant cost savings, especially for businesses that ship frequently. And handle paperwork. Dealing with customs regulations and documentation can be a daunting task. Freight forwarders are well versed in these requirements and can ensure that all necessary paperwork is completed accurately and submitted on time, avoiding costly delays and penalties. You give them your shipment details, including the type of goods, origin, destination, and desired delivery timeframe, and they present the best sea and air options tailored to your specific needs and budget. They're your single point of contact, solving problems and keeping things on track. Whether it's a customs delay, a damaged shipment, or a last-minute change in plans, they're there to handle it all, providing you with peace of mind. For small businesses, a good forwarder is almost always the best way to save money and avoid hassles. They level the playing field, giving you access to the same resources and expertise as larger companies. Online comparison platforms like Freightos and Ship-a-Freight make it even easier, streamlining the entire process and putting the power of choice directly in your hands. Enter your details once and get instant quotes from dozens of forwarders, allowing you to quickly compare prices and services. These tools let you compare prices, ensuring you're getting the most competitive rates available in the market. See all fees with transparent pricing structures that eliminate hidden costs and surprises, and book shipments in minutes. The platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and secure payment options, making the booking process quick, easy, and reliable. Whether you use a traditional forwarder or a platform, both offer distinct advantages depending on your specific needs and preferences. Leveraging their expertise is the secret to big savings, allowing you to optimize your shipping costs and improve your bottom line. Use technology and expert partners to simplify your shipping and cut costs. Embrace the power of freight forwarders and online platforms to unlock new levels of efficiency and profitability in your global trade operations. Packaging can make or break your shipping costs. Carriers charge by actual or volumetric weight, whichever is higher, so wasted space costs you money. Work with your supplier to use the smallest, safest cartons possible. No extra air or oversized boxes. Avoid heavy packaging materials. Lighter options save on air freight especially. Always get final pack dimensions and weight before quoting. For larger shipments, optimize how boxes are stacked on pallets to maximize space. Even small changes in packaging can add up to big savings across many units. Smart packaging means lower costs and higher profits. The right tools make international shipping simple and affordable. Use platforms like Freightos or Ship-a-Freight for instant, transparent quotes on sea and air freight. For small express shipments, try ShipStation or EasyShip to access discounted courier rates. These tools give you enterprise-level pricing and streamline your shipping process. To recap, know your shipment details, pick the right method, get multiple quotes, optimize packaging, and build strong partnerships. Review your shipping strategy regularly as your business grows. Stay informed, test new partners, and keep optimizing. Controlling shipping costs is ongoing, but it's the key to e-commerce profitability. Start shipping smarter, save money, and grow your business with confidence. Do you have any questions about the import process? Visit our website yansourcing.com, or send us an email at info@yansourcing.com. I'd love to help.